Hello, my name is Soeun Park and I'm an artist from South Korea. My work explores how language and society structures shape and affect female identity. When I use traditional materials associated with women, such as ceramics and hair, I'm drawn to both their culturally symbolism and physical qualities. Ceramics, for instance, has long been connected to domestic labor and femininity. It's fragile yet enduring, much like the way society expects women to be. Hair, on the other hand, carry deep personal and cultural meanings. It's both symbol of beauty and tool of control. By incorporating hair into my work, I'm confronting ideas of femininity that are often idealized or imposed. These materials allow me to speak about the body, identity, and social expectations in the tactile and intimate way. They serve not just as mediums, but as metaphors for femininity is constructed, constrained, and also reclaimed. There are so many expressions that inspire me. For example, like praise like 泼出去的水 or 男人不坏，女人不爱. So these sayings reflects how women are often objectified or blamed, even in the casual everyday language. I don't really start with the specific creative plan because my work is more like record of my lived experience as a woman. It's not something I can plan out in advance, because it doesn't unfold that way. Instead, I observe, feel, and respond to what I encounter in the world, and that becomes part of my work. These experiences are personal, but I believe they are also relatable, especially for women living in our time. There are things we've thought about, gone through in some way. And what consistently amazes and inspires me is strength, vitality, resilience of women. So during my time in Jiangxi, I was really moved by energy and vitality of women I saw every day. At night, if you walk through the streets, you'll find a woman gathering every open square and dancing, exercising, singing together. There's so much freedom in how they express themselves without worrying about being judged. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to meet different artists in a new environment. When you work alone for a long time, it's so easy to become too stuck in your own perspective, and sometimes that makes it hard to see your blind spots. I believe that constant exchanging and communications are an essential part of making art. And personally, I think that's also the original purpose of art itself. I believe sharing allows us to expand each other's worlds, and it's been a joyful and meaningful way to grow together.